Good morning! Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Zoeshaaa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is 10:02. It is November the 21st, Saturday, November the 21st. And our mayor yesterday announced that Toronto will be going on lockdown on Monday. You guys, I have 2 days to do a hell of a lot of shopping because we are going to be on lockdown for 28 days. 28 days. By the time we come off of lockdown, it's Christmas. Retail stores are closed. All non-essential businesses are closed. Restaurants locked down again to just pretty much take out, curbside pickup. It's literally back to stage 1. So I don't know. I've been so hesitant on buying my Christmas ticket for this specific reason. So I don't know. Jamaica for Christmas? Jamaica for Christmas? Boy, I don't know. This has been like literally one of the most difficult times of life in a sense, because it's like, yo, you want to plan stuff, you want to do stuff, because you also want to live at the same time. Like, everybody is over COVID at this point. What did he call it? COVID fatigue everybody is experiencing right now. I've been fatigued a long time ago. But you can't plan anything because literally every day the statistics change. Bruh, I'm over it. Like, I told myself I wasn't gonna make another lockdown catch me, but here we are. Yeah, I haven't heard from my boss as of yet in regards to whether or not we're gonna be closed, but we were closed the first time because we weren't considered a essential business. And pretty much like he could mandate what he needed to do from home. I think the only thing that I'm gonna do is probably on Monday go in just to be safe, because things are really spiking. I use public transportation most of the time to get to and from work. You know, every now and again I get a car that I can use, but it's not all the time. So me on public transportation right now, you guys, let me tell you, I had to the other day keep my composure to an extent because somebody thought it was okay to sit beside me because other people were doing it. And I just had to be like, it was a grown-ass man too. And I just had to be like, listen, if they were going to jump off a bridge, you know, like, would you do it too? Like, I'm not trying to be in the hospital bed with them. Like, I'm trying to protect myself as much as possible. And even if you have your views or whatever on the virus or the situation, what is going on in the world right now, that is fine. I'm not taking that away from you, but respect others, you know? Like, don't 6 feet? 6 feet? Bruh. Anyways, so I think just to be safe, you know what I'm saying? I haven't really gone around anybody again just because over here things are kind of going back up. Again, we had 15,000 cases for a new daily total the other day, and that's crazy coming from in the summer where we were at like 100 cases a day to now 15, 1,200, 14, 11. Bro, it's crazy. So yeah, but schools are still open. And yeah, so I don't know, but I have an event to do today. I actually have 2 events to set up for today, 2 birthday parties. One is a dirty 30, the other is a birthday party for a 37-year-old or something like that. So for most, I have everything. I just have to go on the road and blow up the number balloons. I have to, as I said, do a lot of last minute stuff now because places aren't going to be open, and I have other orders that I need to fulfill as well. Let me see, she sent the deposit today, so I have to go and pick up a couple things for that, and then I'm gonna go decorate. Hopefully I can take you guys with me. I know one person will allow me, the other one I don't think they will, but one person definitely probably will allow me to decorate, so I'm gonna do that. and I have to decorate at 3, and then the other whenever. If I can do it before, great. If not, I'll do it after, whatever. So I'm gonna take you guys with me to work today. Pick up some stuff, as I said. I feel like I have some other things that I need to do. Y'all, this is what my bag looks like, okay? It's just full of papers, and all of that stuff, because I feel like my head will go, God forbid, but I can't remember shit nowadays. Like, I have so many things on my head, I can't even remember. Like, I don't even remember if this is the list that I wrote out yesterday. No. See? No. This is not it. Are you this? Nope. See what I mean? Just have all of these. Yeah, here we go. Alright. So yeah, guys, I gotta do everything. I gotta get Christmas decorations. I gotta get everything, because I'm not gonna be able to do that after this. Like, I don't know if the dollar store is gonna be open. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? Like, most places that can do curbside, like Michael's, where I need, like, I'm not worried about them, but for everything else, baby. But yeah, guys, that is the motive for today. So yeah, when I get to my first destination, I will link back with you guys. And oh my god, I have packages I have to send off. I have orders that I need to fulfill. Me bombard. Yo, you guys, my whole heap of things today. You know me, I think about it. Stress a kill me. Stress a kill me. But anyways, guys, me not really, you know, the whole heap of long talking. How long me I talk for now? 6 minutes. Oh god. So yeah, when me reach somewhere further in our life, me come back to una and make una know what I want, okay? Bye! Gonna be with him, I gotta be by his side, yeah. Gonna be with him, my heart's made up my mind. I'm leaving on the next plane now, 'cause I've gotta see my baby. It's been too long since I've held him in my arms, and I just won't sleep at night. No, 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 till he's sleeping here beside me, yeah. Here beside me again, 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 again. We are at Walmart. So first up, I have to get something here for an order. I also have to pick up some Christmas presents here soon, you know what I'm saying. So, make we go in the store. Make we go in the store. Oh, Ross, I forgot the bank too. Jesus. I forgot the bank. I forgot the bank, you know. Because the bank already slow enough. I know the bank goes slower all over again. Ross. Y'all, I'm happy. I'm not happy. Like, COVID, man. COVID. Anyways, let me go. I don't know if they are going to have the toys that I saw at the other location, but I could check, because sometimes, you know, they might have better things too. So there we go. Inside. Oh, hold on there. Maybe if it gets one of the most important things. Sanitizer. And put on my mask. I'm leaving on the next plane out. Okay. Alright, let's lock her. Oh, I need a cart. Y'all, the place is so festive. Oh my god, I love Christmas. Look at the, I can't wait till I have a house. Okay, let me look and see if they have the kids stuff that I wanted the other day. Oh, something like this, but one cheaper one. Although this not bad, $40. Garden table. What's the age on it though? Oh, 1.5 years. That's not bad. But winter time, no. Okay, I don't see anything over here. Okay, they have. Okay, they have it. So I'm gonna get the gourmet kitchen for one of my twin cousins. Twinnies. That's for Wessie, and this is gonna be for Kenny. Ages 2 and up, but I'm not reaching so yet. But okay, so it comes with. Yo, this is $25. This is $50. This is amazing. A whole gourmet kitchen, $25. This is what it comes with. So I'm wondering, should I get some food? And then for her, she has a nursery, so should I buy a dolly? You know what I'm with there? Yeah. Let me see. Which other baby-ish do I have to buy for? I didn't even make a list this year, so I don't even know, to be honest. But I'm gonna look on Dali and look up play food something them. Wow. This no man. Barbecue. Hello. Hi. Oh. No, them have the little. I always see them have it like in a little bag or something like that. Let me look, yeah. And see. Let me see. One of my friend's sons loves Legos. My goddaughter wants a camera. She wants to start a YouTube channel, so she wants a camera. I'm trying to see if there's any like a cheap one, or something like that. Should I just get this? Would this be like cool? Like a whole bunch of Legos? Yeah, I'm gonna know about them somewhere. I'm gonna outfit me. Or like one of these tubs with like all the colors and ages 4 to 99. So I'm 200-year-old and can't play. I'm wondering, would this be sufficient? I don't know how this shit works. Alright, guys. I'm gonna finish looking because I can't look for una and look too. So I'm gonna finish. Me come back to now. I don't even know if y'all can see me. Excuse me, but when I'm done, I will come back to you guys. So far I got this gift. There's some water I have to look for, and yeah, so I'll be back.
How did we do today? Fill in the survey at the top of the receipt for a chance to win one of 3 $1,000 gift cards. Welcome to Walmart.
All right, people,
scan items one at a time. Place them down the bag.
Almost. I was able to get some of the stuff for the order, but they only had 3 packs of the water, and I need 4. So I'm still gonna have to check another Walmart. Yeah, I'm still gonna have to check another Walmart, which is fine. Are they so cute? They're so cute. Alright, left them. They're gonna grow. so excited for this. Around here, so. So I'm ready to take that over. Okay. Alright guys, so that done. I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree next. Pick up the stuff I need for my next order. And hi! Yeah, I'm gonna go pick up the stuff for my next order. Somebody will text me right now about my next one. Alright. Put on my meds. Ever in a fashion right now, but always trending. Love a girl with super cocky with passion. Outstanding. Sing the jazz away, far away. She have to come back tomorrow. Alright guys, I am at Dollar Tree. Okay, I guess I'm gonna need my phone actually. Before I'm going, let me see if the girl did message me. About the basket. I made it to the bank. I went to the bank, so that done. That done. I guess my paycheck them will come after this. I just got to, what am I doing? I just have to deposit them via app. Luckily the location that I went to today, nobody was in there. Nobody never in there. Fling the jazz away, fuck her away. She have to come back tomorrow. She says she want a big bang belly. She says she would like to be free. Comment down below, you guys, if you guys would like to be free. She says she want a real gangale. Is it snowing? I know it's not snowing. Can't be snowing. Cause I never saw bright for snow. Dollar Tree. Me can't see a shit in here, you know. Oh, see it there. Okay. I need a card for this trip. Oh, it's Christmas everywhere. Oh my god. This is what you guys, you guys don't even understand what Christmas means. Like, it's crazy. I love it here. I love Christmas. I need a Santa hat. I need one other thing. Anyways, let me get one more coming up for. Actually, there's something I need in here. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my god, these are cute. Wow. favorite boxes. These are so cute. I could have used none of them for the wedding. I don't have none of my colors in here. What did I say I needed organza bags for? Yo, you guys, don't sleep on the dollar store, okay? The dollar store is life. Or at least it's mine. Or a major part of it. Ooh, kind of a big deal. This girl can. Like the gold on it, you know. Or is that just the lighting? But sometimes goldfish. It's like the kind of a big deal still. Y'all, I'm kind of turning into a pinky girl again. Okay, you go with a pink one. This girl can, yeah, girl. It's like, see, I'm come buy them something here and it's not this I'm coming here for. Jesus. Them don't have not one thing that I need in here. There's nobody in here and come out like people in place.
What line, sir? Yes, she's asking you to come.
Sorry. Sorry. People might just go online. Sure, you can't do this when people are going a lot down, you know, them go stress out. Oh, these are cute. Lip gloss. Oh. Alright, people. No, come on, it's kind of stress out.